Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this repetitive outline text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the number 25. You can type in anything you want, of course. Also, you're going to change the font. I'm just going to use maybe like I'll use another one, or should I leave it like that? I'll just use this. I'm also going to copy and paste it. I'm going to select the first one and I'm going to change the color to pink maybe. On the second one, you're going to select this and you're going to scroll down until you find the stroke and you're going to adjust the thickness. You can also change the color of the outline if you want to, but I'm just going to go with white. Right click, create compound clip, and then go to basic, blend mode, and then select screen. And then you can basically just do this, or you can add in more outlines. So copy and paste that and slide it to the left or wherever, like so. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!